Hello, superstars. Welcome to day 1 of our 7-day English Shadowing Challenge. You're here to speak English more fluently. I'm so proud of you for showing up. If you've been learning English for a while, but find it hard to speak fluently, shadowing is going to help you a lot. Shadowing means listening and repeating immediately what you hear without pausing too long. It helps you train your mouth, your ears, and your confidence. We'll practice speaking naturally and confidently, step by step, every day. Make sure you stay with me until day 7, because that's when you'll really start to feel a big change in your speaking flow and confidence. So grab your headphones, repeat after me, and let's make your English sound natural, one day at a time. Before we dive in, a quick reminder. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss your next shadowing session. Tell me in the comments, where are you joining from? I would love to hear from you. Now, let's get started. You don't have to be perfect. Just speak with me and enjoy the process. I usually get up at 7 a.m. I usually get up at 7 a.m. I freshen up and make my bed. I freshen up and make my bed. Then I put on some comfortable clothes. Then I put on some comfortable clothes. I head to the kitchen to make coffee. I head to the kitchen to make coffee. While drinking coffee, I go over my to-do list for the day. While drinking coffee, I go over my to-do list for the day. After that, I head out for work. After that, I head out for work. Sometimes I pick up breakfast on the way. Sometimes I pick up breakfast on the way. When I reach the office, I log in and check my emails. When I reach the office, I log in and check my emails. How's it going? You keeping up? Not bad, right? You're doing great. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Let's keep going. I hang out with my coworkers at lunchtime. I hang out with my coworkers at lunchtime. I usually wrap up work around 6 p.m. I usually wrap up work around 6 p.m. After work, I work out at the gym. After work, I work out at the gym. On my way home, I pick up some groceries. On my way home, I pick up some groceries. I sometimes call up a friend to talk for a while. I sometimes call up a friend to talk for a while. I pick out my outfit for the next day. I pick out my outfit for the next day. I eat out with friends sometimes. I eat out with friends sometimes. I am meeting up with my old friend tomorrow. I am meeting up with my old friend tomorrow. Awesome work, everyone, today. You made it to the end of day 1. If you felt challenged, that's a good sign. Your brain's learning. Remember, fluency grows with consistency, not perfection. The more you shadow, the more natural you'll sound. Practice these sentences again tomorrow. Maybe record yourself and listen to your pronunciation. If you enjoyed today's session, like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment "Day 1 done" to stay motivated. Don't forget to come back for Day 2, where we'll take your speaking rhythm to the next level. Until then, keep practicing, celebrate your progress, and stay confident.